welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. So this is what my box looks like. I'm going to show you guys this little card, and it just says Whipsy. It does have the products in it, and yeah, I believe Ipsy box went up. I want to say maybe $21 to $20. I don't know. I was paying $20 and it went up a little bit. Not by much, but I'm okay with it because the products that I've been getting, I think I want to say I've been with them for about 4 or 5 months already. Wow, time has been going by really fast. And I'm so excited because I really love Ipsy, Ipsy. I really like Boxycharm. Why do I keep saying Ipsy? It's because this hat Whipsy. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, and I'm no longer with them. Nothing bad about them. I've just been with them for about 2 going on 3 years. And I kind of just stopped, I guess, because some of the products were just kind of getting too tiny, and I saw my friends getting Boxycharm, and I like all of their stuff, like through Snapchat or whatever, and I was like, wow, I really want that, and I didn't want to have 2 subscriptions, so I just canceled Ipsy and tried Boxycharm, and I love Boxycharm so much. So if you want to know what Boxycharm is, it's just a thing that you pay a subscription monthly, and you get like full-size products in a box. So they do have your regular box, and then they have the big one that you pay a little bit more. I just have the $20 one. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first product I want to pull out is this little Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette. Now, right away, I was so excited for this because, one, I don't own anything from Storybook Cosmetics, and I always wanted to. And I love how they do all their stuff based off books or movies. I think they had one that was like the Mean Girls one. They've done so many of them, and yeah, I really wanted to get some of this stuff. I think I went to Ulta one time, and I think they had stuff from there, but they were like all sold out, so I was kind of like sad about it. But I'm so excited for this. Like, first of all, it's really cute, and you can see Robin Hood right there on the picture, and then you see like the little gold metallic ink on here. It's like a book, and then it kind of opens like a book. So on the back, it says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after, which is so cute. Then it has a really cute mirror. I don't want to show you blind, you guys, but it has a mirror, and then it has a little saying on the mirror. And on the saying, it says, mirror, mirror, here I stand, who is the fairiest in the land? And it's Wilhelm Grimm Piper. And then it has the shadows, and these shadows are everything because, one, if you guys don't know, I love greens and I love blue eyeshadow. Like, I'm really love pop of color on my eyes, but for some reason I always grasp towards like blues and greens, and this is a really pretty palette. Yeah, so I love these shadows, and the names are so cute. It's Maid, Marion, Quiver, Nottingham Forest, Merriman, Robin Hood, which is so pretty. And I believe this right here is for $35 already. You are only paying 20 something, 21, and you're already like, this itself is more than the box. The next product is this Seraphine Botanicals. It is a lip exfoliator with radish extract, and it looks like this. I opened it up already, obviously, because I'll show you guys in the video when after this I apply the stuff. And it smells really good. Like, smells like really nice and sweet, but not too sweet. And it also says it's gluten-free and vegan, and I don't know what that is, GMO free. I don't know, but it looks like this. This right here is $9 for this little product right here. The next thing is this Elemis Pro. It's a rose facial oil, and it really does smell like roses. Now, if you don't like roses, I don't know if you don't like this, but it doesn't linger on your face long. But it smells so amazing. This right here, oh my god. Okay, so it says it's for fine lines, wrinkles, and nourishes and nourishes. Yeah, so this is what the little box looks like, and this right here it's pricey, and I'm not gonna lie. This little bottle is $79. But isn't this cute? Like, the little bottle looks really bougie, and honestly, like, you can smell the rose in the box, and you can smell the rose on here. Oh my god, it just smells so amazing. I actually didn't want to use it yet because I'm still using this one from the last box, and this one was like $90, $95, something like that, and really pricey. And you know, when you open a product, you do have the month little calendar right there, and it tells you how many months you have. This one's 6 months, this one's 6 months also. And I kind of like to use a whole bottle of product before I open anything new, but because you do YouTube, or I'm a YouTuber, whatever, you do have to try all and open all these products and stuff like that. So for sure I'll be alternating both of them. It says massage 3 to 4 drops over face and neck. If contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. So yeah, so you just put 3 to 4 drops, and like, oh my god, it smells so amazing. And I almost dropped it, and if that would have broke, I would have cried on camera because I would have been sad. So that is that. It's like $79 for this thing. I don't think I've ever spent so much money on a product for my own money. So the next thing is this Marble Light. It's a blusher. It's from Siat. I never know how to really pronounce this. I've had products from them before, and this is a Sat London. The little blush is so freaking cute. Like, look at the little packaging. Isn't that cute? It's like really like Christmassy. You can see all my makeup. You can see my filming, but like it's like really cute. You can see my lights. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. And it's like a little mirror, and then the blush right here. Like, that is so pretty. It's really pretty. I like the marble looking, and it has like a nice, let's see, you can't really see it. I don't know if I put it in my finger, but yeah, you can see that. It's like so pretty. And then the last but not least is this lip product. This is by Feather Matte. Oh, by the way, that blush is $26. And then this lipstick is $9. Oh, so I was wrong. Okay, sorry guys. The lipstick is $9. The lip scrub, I thought this was $9. It's not. This is $24. Wow, $24 for that. Okay. So this is a liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Nude, and this is what it looks like right here. It's a lipstick that I have on. It's like more like a brownie peachy type of color. I really like, this is a really pretty shade though. So yeah, that is it that was in my box. Normally you probably be spending like what, $175, $179 total. I don't know, that's what I think I calculated, but even then, like over $20, and you get like all these products. I really recommend getting this. This is not a sponsored video. They didn't tell me to talk about this. I just do it out of my own pockets. I pay, and yeah. Guys, so it came with this rose facial oil that I showed. I didn't want to use this because I'm still using this. Hold on, I'm dropping shit. I'm still using this one, and I really like it. I know that once you use this, like, you have 6 months to use it. So I'm kind of like debating, but it smells so freaking good. But for the case of the video, we're just gonna go ahead and try it. This is what this oil looks like. Oh my god, it smells really good. It smells like roses. That's what it smells like. If you don't like the smell of roses, I don't think you're gonna like this. But me, I like roses. Like, oh my god, it smells so freaking good. So I'm just gonna put this all on my face and apply this. Gonna go ahead and close this up. So freaking good. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. Even though I put the little oil, I still have a little bit of a milk. But all of the steps I'm not really gonna show you guys, because this is all about Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation and do my brows, and then we will get into everything. Okay, now that my eyebrows and my foundation are done, we're gonna open up this cute little box, which I love because I don't own anything from Storybook Cosmetics, but I've always wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, I'm trying to think what I want to use, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Nottingham, which is this one right here, this gray one. It has a cute little mirror. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that one first. Pull that out and apply this in my as my transition shade. It's just a nice little like gray color, I guess. And it's very, very light. I can tell it's very, very light. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera. I see it very light in person as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and mix it up a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of gold. I'm going to put this quiver, which is this one right there. I'm going to pull that one out and just to like give it a little bit of freaking color. Because I feel like that gray was a little too light. I want to put like maybe 2 shades to give it a more of a tense crease transition shade. Better. So I'm going to go in with another brush. I'm going to use this green Merry Men. Like Merry Men as in Merry, like Merry Christmas. M-E-R-R-Y. Even though that has a little mirror, I like to use my big Jeffree Star mirror. And I'm just going to put this in there. Wow. It's very, very... My words are like... I can't think right now. But it's... really pigmented. There you go. Pigmented. It's out there. It shows. It's nice. It's not chalky or anything like that. I really like this. And you guys know that I love blues and greens. So this palette right here I'm so excited for. For one, because of the colors. And for two, because I've never owned anything from this brand before. And I've always wanted to. I'm going to go in with Robin Hood, which is another pretty green. But this one has glitter in it. And I'm hoping that it's as pigmented as it is so beautiful, because you know, you don't want it to be like so pretty in the pan, but then you apply it, it's like, what the fuck? So I'm gonna, ooh, yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the lower. Do you guys see that? Like, so pretty. Come through, Robin Hood, come through. This is so nice. So nice. So nice. I don't know if I'm covering you guys up with my mirror, but I like that mirror. I put a little bit more of Robin. I don't know why. Robin Hood. And apply this. Oh my god, so pretty. Next I'm gonna go in with this forest. It's like a brown. I'm using this and I'm just kind of like stamping it in here, and then that's how I do that. Guys, I was getting carried away doing my makeup and I have blush and I forgot that it came with blush, so it's okay. We're just gonna mix it in there. This is the little blush. It's so pretty, isn't it? So we're gonna go ahead and use this. I don't even know what the heck I was thinking, and we're gonna apply this. You can see the pinkish from the other one that I used, and it's not bad. It's pretty. I'll mix that up. I was like, fuck, I have blush that came in this box. Okay, that is that. Okay, so I already put mascara on, and then it came with a little lip scrub, whatever. We're gonna go ahead and use this. I don't understand why it has like all this little plastic stuff covered, sealed. Alcohol. Open this and break the little seal, and then it says gently lip scrub fuses radish. Okay, all the ingredients. It says using your ring finger, gently buff onto lips in a circular motion. Rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal the smoothness of the skin. Okay, so it looks like a little bit of like, or you can see it. You can see my nail. Like a peachy color, and it looks weird on camera when I'm doing this. It smells really good. It smells really sweet, and I always looking for like a lip scrub because I do have crusty lips. No, I'm gonna rinse with cold water. I have a little wet towel right here. Let's see. So far so good. Like, it tastes good too. Just tasted it by accident. Okay, so I'm gonna put lashes, and then it comes with a lipstick. This or lip product, liquid lipstick, and it's nude. So I never wear nudes like when I'm going somewhere. My daughter has a band concert, my little one, Addison, but it'll still look good. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out. We put eyelashes, put this, but I'm gonna eat really quick before I apply this because my food is here. So I'm gonna eat, and then I'll come back, and then we'll put the lipstick. So okay guys, so now that I already ate and I'm back to try on this lipstick. It's by IB Beauty or Ibby Beauty. It's a really pretty nude. So we're gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna put my little mirror. Wow, so it's not really like a nudie nude. Like, I mean, it's nude, but it has like a brown peachy undertone to it. Like, it's really pretty. It's not like your normal nude. I really like it, actually. I'll get some more. That's my dog. She flips her bowl when she wants water. Oh, hold on, Mama. I know, I hear you. It is really pretty. There's a big old pimple right here, and I just want to go away. So yeah, I like this color. So lately, guys, I haven't really been wearing any highlight, and I want to say it's been about a week and a half. I don't know, I just haven't used it. I really like this matte look that I've been doing on my face lately, and I just really enjoy it, and I really like it. So that is it for this look. I really like this box. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. It's really cold outside, but my hair, I need to like straighten and stuff. So, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna put it up in a nice tight bun because I'm not really going anywhere except for the band concert for my daughter, and I need to come back and finish cleaning and doing all this stuff, ready and preparing for this weekend. I want to try to clean the house and clean my room, and the girls clean their room by Wednesday because Thursday we get really busy. Friday we're doing something. Saturday we have something else going on, and then on Sunday I thought we had something going on, but we have it on Monday. Either way, like, we are so busy during the week, so I'm only available to clean tonight and on Wednesday. So that being said, this is the final look. I really like it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, that's about it. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to slap the subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be another one because I am doing vlogmas. My vlogmas are not super long because I get so busy and I forget to record, or I just don't have a lot of, like, I feel like the footage that I do and whatever I'm doing is not like as exciting, but I still want to do vlogmas, whether it's just a 4-minute vlog or an 8-minute vlog or a 10-minute vlog or 20-minute vlog to a 3-minute vlog. Like, it just depends on what I'm doing that day. But anyway, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.